Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of Coder Girl. Today in this video you will learn how to create a toggle that allows users to switch between a dark and light mode using only HTML and CSS. As you can see on my screen, when I click the toggle button, it changes the color and background color to dark mode, and when I click it again, it changes back to light mode. Before we begin, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Now let's get started. Here in this folder, I have the index.html file and style.css file. Let me open these files. This is the HTML file where I have added some basic HTML structures, and this is the CSS file where I have added margin, padding, box sizing, font family. These CSS properties will be applicable for all the HTML elements. In this HTML file, I have added one title and one link tag that will connect HTML and CSS file. Next, we will add the code in the body tag. So here, let's create one input tag. Type will be checkbox. Then we will create one label tag for it. Let me open this with an HTML preview. So this is the HTML preview where we can see our projects. Here you can see that the checkbox has come to the web page. Now we will give CSS to it. At first we will give CSS to the body tag. So copy this body and paste it here in the CSS file. For this one we will give width 100%, height 100 ph, display flex, align item center, and justify content also center. These CSS properties make all the content inside this body will be in the center. Again come back to the HTML file, copy this label, paste it here in the CSS file. For this one we will give position relative, width 480 pixel and height 180 pixel. Then the display block, background will be this color code. Refresh the web page again. Now you can see a box on the web page with a width of 480 pixel and a height of 180 pixel. Again come to the CSS file. Here we will give a border radius 100 pixel, cursor pointer, then we will give a box shadow. Refresh the web page again. Now you can see this box is curved from all four sides and there are little shadows inside it. Come back to the CSS file, copy this label, paste it here and write after. For this one we will give content, it will be empty, then position absolute, height 160 pixel, width 160 pixel. Then the background will be this color code. Refresh the web page again. Now you can see a small box here. After adding this, we will give border radius 100 pixel, top 10 pixel, left 10 pixel, then box shadow. Now you can see that this box has become a circle. There is a little shadow and it has taken 10 pixel space from top and 10 pixel space from left. Right now the checkbox is only check or uncheck when we click on the checkbox, but we want it to be possible to also change its state by clicking on the label. For that, come back to the HTML file. Here we will give the ID name as dark mode. Copy this one and paste it here. Refresh the web page again. Now you can see when we click on this label, the checkbox gets checked and unchecked. Now I want the circle to move to the right when I click on this label and then move back to the left when I click on it again. For that, come back to the HTML file, copy this input, paste it here in the CSS file, write checked, tilde, copy this one, paste it here. For this one we will give left 470 pixel, transform, translate X minus 100%. Then we will change the background color. Now you can see when I click on the label, it moves to the right side and the color of the label will be changed. But here you can see the label has moved very quickly because we haven't specified a duration for the moment. So for that, come back to the CSS file. Here we will give transition 0.5 seconds. Now you can see the label runs very smoothly. Again, come back to the CSS file. Copy this one and paste it here. Tilde label. For this one, we will give background. Refresh the web page again. Now you can see when we click on this label, the color of the label will be changed. Again, come back to the HTML file. After this label, we will create one div with the class name of background. Copy this one. Paste it here in the CSS file. For this one, we will give position absolute, width 100%, height 100 px. Background will be triple F, which is white color, and Z indexed will be -1. After adding this, change the background color when input is in the checked state. And here we will give transition 0.5 seconds. Refresh the web page again. Now you can see when we click on the label, it switches between dark mode and light mode. Each time we click, it toggles between the two modes. Now we will hide this checkbox. So for that, come back to the CSS file. Write input and display none. Now you can see the checkbox is hidden from here. So that is how I created this toggle button with dark light mode using HTML and CSS only. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions about this topic, you can leave a comment. I will try to answer them. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay tuned for the updates. Thanks for watching.